Oh, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you ready to share your ideas with the world? This video will walk you through the process of creating stunning blog websites on Squarespace, from choosing a template to publishing your first post. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, make sure to open Squarespace and log to your account. Then click on Get Started. From here, you will be able to start making your website. So, what's your site about? Let's choose here and make it a blog. Here, blogging resources and services. Of course, there is other choices that you can pick. I'm going to click on Next. And here, what do you want to do with your website? So basically here, I'm gonna choose publish a blog or other media. So you can choose one of these options, of course. It's completely up to you, but we are going to be focusing on the blog domain. So obviously publish a blog or other media is the best option. Click on Next, and here we are going to build with AI a website or template, or basically choose a template which is already pre-made. Let me just go with browse template. Here I'm going to choose media and podcast, blog, of course blog, then choose the topic. Now the topic of your blog basically can be about traveling, can be about health, can be about sports. So you have a variety of options that you can choose from. So make sure just to go with the best one that suits your things. For example, sports, you could go with fitness, and you will have all of these templates that has template vibe or fitness vibe. So for me, I'm gonna go with something such as restaurants, like you're doing restaurants reviews, and I'm gonna choose this one. So there we go. From here, we're gonna edit a couple of things like the colors. So you can choose the color preset. So I'm gonna choose, for example, this one, and then I'm going to click on Start with this design. Let's go and let's wait for it to be built. The next step now after the loading is to give our site a name. So let's give it a random name. I'm gonna name it, for example, bloggers tutorial or something like that. So let's wait. Here we go. Click here, bloggers tutorial. I'm gonna click on next, 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 and get started. Now this is the dashboard of your site. So this is where you can configure your site, edit it, add things, remove things, and much more. Let's get in depth. Let's start by going to the edit right here, as you can see, and click on it. This will take you to the page builder, where you can edit literally everything, from pictures, text, and videos. Let's start by focusing on a couple of things first. Let's remove the sections that are not important. For example, we are bloggers, so there is no reservation needed. So let's remove this. Here, I'm gonna remove this one as well. And basically, we are up with these 4 sections. Of course, these 4 sections are totally editable. Let's start by editing this one, for example. You can simply click on select or edit this section, and you'll be able to edit it. You can change the background, you can change the colors, you can change whatever you want, and even put a video in the background instead of an image. Now, this is what we are going to focus on in this video, since the editing is completely variable and it's up to you guys. But let's focus on the blog aspects. As you can see, we don't have here in the navigation the bloggers page. So how can we create it? Now, let's go and save the changes that we made, and then I'm going to click on exit. Go to here, as you can see, to the left side bar, and choose website, then pages. After you did that, simply click on this plus button. This will allow you to create a page or collection or more, as you can see right here. Now for us, we are going to pick blog. Click on it, and this page will be basically promoted to you. So here you will have like a window full of options of template that you can pick for your blogs. Let's choose this one. So this is our our blog page. I'm gonna name it blog. Click on enter to save, and you will be opening the page. Now, this is the content that you have at the moment. They all came by default. When you click on them, they will take you to the post so you can see how it works. Let's go back. And here I'm going to click on blog content. As you can see, in this area, you will find every single blog that came with the template. First of all, let's go and remove all of them and click on delete. After we did that, click on plus button to create a new post. This is your blog. So, the blog of course will be fully editable. Let's start by giving it a title. For example, best food or Asian food restaurant in Germany, and yeah, like that. And basically now we can just leave it and start by the editing. So this is simply just like what you could do in general. So what I'm gonna do here is basically go right over here, and you can view the blog post settings. So you can work on featured images if you want to add, the blog URL, the options here. You can view the status if it is drafted, scheduled, or basically, as you can see, published, or basically needs review. Here the SEO, so you can have a full view on the SEO, social images, sharing, and location. Let's close this, and basically here you can start writing your blog. So simply click here and start typing whatever you want. You can add sections right here and add images between texts, so you can have a variety of options. So there will be a text, titles, images, and even videos if you want. And finally, you could add a couple of other things such as buttons and more things that you can look up right here. So you can add all of these things and maybe some other cool things that you can create by your imagination, so you can be creative as much as you want. And that's pretty much it. Once you feel like you're fulfilled, click on publish and save, so you have everything saved within your blog. And that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. If there is any more questions that you have about this topic, make sure to mention them in the comment section. I will try to answer all of your comments and questions. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.